MidJourney, as of December 3rd, 2025, offers two primary methods for deleting images you've generated. Managing these images is crucial for privacy, intellectual property, and platform moderation. Let's break down how you can remove your AI art. As of 2025, MidJourney has expanded beyond Discord with a dedicated web interface and mobile apps, improving image management. Version 6.1, released April 2025, introduced enhanced deletion tools. Method 1 uses MidJourney within Discord. To delete a single image, simply react to the image message with the cross emoji. For bulk removal, use the /delete command followed by up to 10 image IDs. Note that images must be less than 24 hours old for immediate deletion, while older ones enter a soft delete state pending confirmation. Method 2 uses the MidJourney web interface or mobile app. Access your My Images gallery, select the images you want to remove, and click Delete or Archive. This method supports permanent deletion with a 30-day recovery window and includes AI-assisted tagging to help organize and identify images for deletion.